Become rich in 6 months with these 10 simple adjustments. What if I told you that the difference between people who stay broke for years and people who become financially unstoppable isn't luck, inheritance, or intelligence, but a few small adjustments most people ignore? Millions work hard every day, yet their bank accounts don't reflect their effort. Not because they're lazy, but because they're playing the wrong financial game. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 simple but powerful adjustments that can radically shift your finances in the next 6 months if you take them seriously. And this isn't theory. These principles are used by self-made earners, investors, and financially disciplined people across the world. Let's get into it. Before we dive in like this video, share it with someone who needs a financial reset and subscribe to Wealth University for clear, practical wisdom on building wealth step by step. Now, let's talk about the adjustments. First, let's redefine rich clarity before cash. Before anyone gets triggered by the title, let's be clear. Rich in 6 months does not mean owning a private jet or living a fantasy life. It means strong, positive cash flow, zero or reduced financial anxiety, a growing asset base, control over your money, momentum that compounds. Most people don't stay poor because they don't earn. They stay poor because they lack structure, clarity, and intentional systems. Wealth begins with alignment, not income. Now let's fix that. Adjustment 1. Stop trying to earn more. Fix how you handle what you have. This may shock you, but income is not your biggest problem. Plenty of people earn well and still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because money management comes before money multiplication. If you don't control 100,000, 1 million won't save you. It will only expose you. Action step: track every expense for the next 30 days. Categorize spending: needs, wants, leaks. Eliminate at least 2 financial leaks immediately. Wealth doesn't respect wishful thinking, it responds to discipline. Adjustment 2. Pay yourself first every single time. The wealthy don't save what's left. They remove savings before spending begins. This one adjustment alone can change your financial trajectory in 6 months. Action step: automate 10-30% of every income into savings or investments. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Increase the percentage whenever income increases. If you don't prioritize your future self, no one will. Adjustment 3. Stop consuming wealth, start owning it. Most people are financing lifestyles they cannot sustain. Phones, clothes, subscriptions, status symbols. Wealthy people delay gratification not because they're stingy, but because they understand assets first, enjoyment later. Action step: pause all non-essential purchases for 60 days. Redirect that money into income-producing or skill-building assets. Ask yourself, will this item pay me back? If it doesn't grow you, it's shrinking you. Adjustment 4. Build one profitable skill, not 10 side hustles. One of the biggest mistakes today is spreading effort across too many things. Wealth comes from depth, not distraction. Action step: choose one skill with high demand, scalable income, transferable value. Examples: digital marketing, sales and closing dabias, content creation, tech or data skills, financial services. Then commit 90 focus days to mastering and monetizing it. 6 months of focus can outperform 6 years of confusion. Adjustment 5. Increase your value before asking for more pay. Raises don't come from begging. They come from leverage. If you are easily replaceable, your income is capped. Action step: ask, what problem do I solve that saves or makes money? Improve that skill aggressively. Position yourself as indispensable broke. Money flows toward value, not effort. Adjustment 6. Separate your identity from your income. Many people stay stuck financially because they tie their worth to their current earning level. I'm not that kind of person. I don't come from money. That's not for people like us. This thinking is expensive. Action step: rewrite your internal money narrative. Stop self-limiting labels. Start seeing money as a tool, not a verdict on your worth. You cannot out-earn your self-image. Adjustment 7. Build an emergency buffer before chasing big returns. Nothing destroys financial progress like panic decisions. An emergency fund creates psychological stability. Action step: save 3-6 months of basic expenses. Keep it liquid and accessible. Don't invest money you may need urgently. Stability gives you the confidence to take calculated risks. Adjustment 8. Learn how money actually works. Financial literacy. Most people work for money but don't understand it. Inflation. Cash flow. Assets versus liabilities. Risk. Ignorance is costly. Action step: spend 30 minutes daily learning money principles. Study basic investing, budgeting, and wealth psychology. Follow credible financial educators as pause. The wealthy don't guess, they understand. Adjustment 9. Change your financial environment. Your environment shapes your income. If everyone around you jokes about being broke, normalizes debt, or fears wealth, you'll unconsciously follow suit. Action step: audit who influences your thinking. Limit negative money conversations. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. You grow to the level of your environment. Adjustment 10. Stop waiting. Start acting imperfectly. Most people delay wealth waiting for the perfect plan, the perfect timing down, the perfect conditions. Wealth rewards action, not perfection. Action step: start small, learn fast, adjust along the way. Momentum beats motivation every time. These adjustments don't rely on luck. They rely on behavioral alignment. In 6 months, your mindset shifts, your habits compound, your income structure improves, your confidence grows, your financial stress reduces. That's how real wealth begins. If you make these 10 adjustments seriously, not casually, you will not recognize your financial life in 6 months. Not because money magically appeared, but because you became the kind of person money works for. Wealth is not a destination. It's a system you build. If this video helped you think differently, subscribe to Wealth University for more clear, practical, and timeless principles that help you grow financially step by step. Like the video, share it with someone who needs this message, and I'll see you in the next lesson.